Hey everybody, welcome to this week's Chesa Sneak Peek. Today I am here with Kris Archer, a recreation specialist with athletics. Welcome, Kris.
Thank you.
And we are here at Crest Community Center. Behind us, we have the winter basketball practices happening, and the season is quickly coming to an end, but there is a tournament coming up, right, Kris?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Well, the tournament will begin March 7th and end on March the 12th. The participants, they will have to qualify, and it will be based on where they finish in their division.
Awesome. And this is for what age groups of the basketball program?
It'll be ages 9 through 18.
9 through 18. Cool. And this is the big end of season wrap up for all of our youth in this sport?
Got 3 weeks left, couple tight division races to go, and we're just barreling down to the finish.
Awesome. And then right after that's done, we're going to roll right into spring sports. So what can we anticipate for this spring?
We have spring soccer coming up, co-ed soccer. Registration deadline is February 22nd, and we're gearing up for that. And then summer volleyball registration will take place sometime in early April.
Okay, so there's a lot of great athletic programs that we offer here. There's opportunities for boys and girls for a lot of different ages. There's even athletic opportunities for adults in the city of Chesapeake. What do you think is one of the best things about getting your kids involved in these sports?
Socialization, you make memories with friends, you learn basic fundamental skills, each sport you play, and just camaraderie with your teammates. Just learn life skills.
Yeah. Well, thanks, Kris. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Now, coming up this week in Chesapeake, of course, a reminder that the deadline for co-ed spring soccer registration will be on Saturday. Also coming up is the Sweets Life baking class. This will be at Great Bridge Community Center. It will be on February 24th, but the spaces are limited, so make sure you sign up for that. And a reminder that the Clean and Green poster contest, you have to register for that by March 2nd, so teachers can register their entire class, or students in grades K through 12 in public, private, or homeschools are all welcome to register for that contest. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. We will see you next week.